I'm sauteing shiitake mushroom and oyster mushroom. Look at this. I got it from a farmer market. Have you seen a shiitake mushroom this big? Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful shiitake? And look at this cluster of oyster mushroom. So we're going to do a simple saute today with some shrimp. Okay, I'm going to mix up my sauce first. You can do it any way you like. So the key here is getting the flavor that you like. Oyster sauce is an important key. So definitely my mixture will be double oyster. So it's like 2-to-1 ratio. So 2 oyster, and this sauce right here is a dark soy sauce. It gives my saute some color. So it's like a caramelized sugar, but it's a dark soy sauce. So depending on how dark you want it, so a tablespoon is good. And this is a Golden Mountain seasoning soy sauce. That's one of my favorite. So a tablespoon of that. And definitely some sesame oil, but I will do this at the end. You don't want to cook sesame oil too long. And fish sauce, whatever your favorite brand is. It gives nice umami flavor, so a tablespoon of that. Now we're going to mix all this together, so be ready for our stir fry. A hot skillet. I'm going to add your favorite oil. I use avocado oil. It's good for you. And you want to put in all your aromatics. Like I love shallot. Shallot has really good flavor. Now you don't want to overcrowd your saute pan. So once the shallot starts to become fragrant, you want to add in your garlic. Okay, now add your garlic. Put in it as much as you like. So I'm going to add in my shrimp. These shrimp take longer than mushroom. So our sauce that we did earlier, so put in a little sauce. Now I slice up the shiitake. I slice up the shiitake and the oyster. So I'm going to saute all this together. So I'll add a little more sauce, because the sauce will go a long way. Depending on how savory you want it. It's up to you. Mushroom and shrimp can cook really fast, so you can put them in together. Doesn't that look good? Looks good. Flip your shrimp. So you don't want to overcrowd your skillet. See how fast it cooks? It's done. Once you turn off your burner, add a little sesame oil. And it's so fragrant. And now it's done. You just plate it. Delicious. Wow, look at that dish. So simple and easy. You see how fast it came together? to start off, this dish is the mushroom and the shrimp together. I'm gonna try this mushroom. Shiitake is one of my favorite. Look at that. Mmm. So soft. Fresh shiitake is the best. Has great umami flavor. Delicious. My sister gonna try the shrimp. She don't like mushroom.
No, I do not. But I like mushroom flavor.
Mmm.
Mmm. Very good. Not salty at all.
Mm-hmm.
Very seasoned. That would be great over some rice or noodles. That would be awesome.
Oh yeah, it is. Okay, my friend Reith here is gonna try this shrimp with the shiitake and oyster mushroom. You guys saw it, how simple it was made. Go ahead, try it. Try a shrimp. That's an oyster mushroom. Try a shiitake mushroom. This one's shiitake right here. All right, which one? That one. That's shiitake.
Oh, I love
You see it?
shiitake
Nice and
mushrooms.
chunky?
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna get a close up, see what first impression.
Hi. You see, I get to try all these delicious food. All right, this is the shrimp. Very good.
Why is
Nice.
it good?
Why is it good? It's got the perfect balance of flavors, salty and sweet.
Nice.
And the shrimp is cooked perfectly. I'm assuming this is the shiitake.
Yeah,
I love shiitake mushroom.
Me
You can
too.
pair it with any flavors.
right? And you know, mushroom takes on flavor, whatever you flavor with.
The oyster as well. All these mushrooms absorb all the flavors that's in it.
So it's a keeper?
Keeper.
All right,
Yep.
bon appetit, guys. See you next video.